Hey Tech fam! Welcome back to the channel. Are you ready to see some seriously mind-blowing gadgets that just dropped on Amazon in 2024? We're talking next-level tech that will make your life easier, cooler, and way more fun. So, grab your wallets and get ready to be amazed. Number 1. Tron 360 Degrees AI Vision Robotic Mower with Auto Mulching. This robotic lawnmower isn't your grandpa's model. The Tron mower is equipped with advanced artificial intelligence, AI, vision technology, allowing it to perceive its surroundings in a 360-degree field of view. This enables the mower to navigate complex environments, avoid obstacles, and efficiently mow your lawn with minimal human intervention. One of the standout features of the Tron mower is its auto-mulching capability. Instead of collecting grass clippings in a bag, or discharging them onto the lawn's surface, the mower finally chops the grass into small pieces and disperses them back onto the lawn. This process, known as mulching, helps fertilize the soil, promote healthy grass growth, and eliminate the need for manual disposal of clippings. With its AI-powered vision technology, the Tron mower can intelligently navigate around obstacles such as trees, flower beds, and garden furniture. It uses real-time data to detect obstacles in its path and dynamically adjust its route to avoid collisions, ensuring safe and efficient operation. Imagine never having to mow your lawn again. Number 2. Multifunctional Smart Coffee Maker with Voice Control. Coffee lovers, brace yourselves. This voice-controlled smart coffee maker lets you brew the perfect cup with just a simple command. Want a latte on a chilly morning? Just say the word. The smart coffee maker offers a range of functions beyond basic coffee brewing. It may include features such as espresso brewing, cappuccino and latte preparation, hot water dispensing for tea or other beverages, and even customizable recipes for specialty drinks. This versatility allows users to enjoy a wide variety of coffee beverages tailored to their preferences. It can even grind fresh beans and customize brewing strength and temperature. This is the ultimate coffee companion for any kitchen. Number 3. XREL Air Smart Glasses. Get ready to experience the world in a whole new way with these AR glasses. Imagine playing games, watching movies, or even getting directions overlaid on your real-world view. These glasses offer a glimpse into the future of entertainment and could revolutionize the way we interact with technology. XREL Air Smart Glasses feature small, high-resolution displays positioned in front of the user's eyes. These displays may use technologies like waveguides, holographic optics, or micro-LEDs to project images onto the wearer's field of view. Number 4. Self-cleaning water bottle with built-in UV purifier. This innovative water bottle uses UV light to purify your water on the go, keeping you hydrated and healthy. The water bottle is equipped with a built-in UV, ultraviolet, purifier that effectively eliminates harmful bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens from the water. UVC light is used to disrupt the DNA of microorganisms, rendering them inactive and unable to cause infections or illnesses. The self-cleaning water bottle is designed to be portable and convenient for use during travel, outdoor activities, or daily commutes. It typically features a lightweight and durable construction, making it easy to carry around. The UV purifier is powered by a rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB for continuous use. Number 5. Wireless Charging Desk Lamp with Integrated Speaker. This multifunctional lamp charges your devices wirelessly while providing adjustable lighting and even pumping out your favorite tunes. These are just a few of the amazing gadgets you can find on Amazon right now. With so much cool tech hitting the market, staying ahead of the curve can be tough. But don't worry, we'll be here to keep you updated on all the latest and greatest gadgets. Number 6. Pocket Translator with Real-Time Conversation. Traveling the world just got a whole lot easier. This pocket translator provides real-time conversation mode, translating languages seamlessly so you can communicate with anyone, anywhere. Imagine ordering food in a foreign market or having a casual chat with locals. This gadget makes it possible. Number 7. Portable Projector with Built-in Battery. This portable projector packs a punch with a built-in battery, letting you enjoy movie nights anywhere. Perfect for camping trips, backyard gatherings, or creating a cinematic experience in any room. Portable projectors typically offer a range of connectivity options, including HDMI, USB, and wireless connectivity such as Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This allows users to easily connect their smartphones, tablets, laptops, gaming consoles, and other devices to the projector for streaming movies, gaming, presentations, and more. Number 8. Smart Kitchen Scale with Recipe Integration. Calling all foodies. This smart kitchen scale takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply weigh your ingredients, and the scale will automatically suggest recipes based on what you have on hand. It can even adjust recipe quantities and convert units for effortless cooking adventures. Number 9. Smart Yoga Mat with Pressure Sensors and Pose. A smart yoga mat with pressure sensors and pose recognition is an innovative piece of yoga equipment that incorporates technology to enhance the yoga practice experience. The yoga mat is equipped with built-in pressure sensors embedded throughout its surface. These sensors detect the user's movements and body positioning during yoga practice, providing real-time feedback on posture and alignment. Using advanced algorithms and machine learning technology, the smart yoga mat can recognize and identify various yoga poses performed by the user. It analyzes data from the pressure sensors to determine the accuracy and correctness of each pose, helping users improve their technique and form. Number 10. AI-powered posture coach with gentle vibration alerts. Slouching at your desk? Say goodbye to bad posture with this AI-powered posture coach. An AI-powered posture coach with gentle vibration alerts is a wearable device designed to help users improve their posture and reduce the risk of associated health problems such as neck and back pain. The device is equipped with sensors, such as accelerometers and gyroscopes, that capture data about the user's posture and movements. These sensors continuously monitor the user's body alignment and detect when posture is suboptimal. When the posture coach detects poor posture or slouching, it delivers gentle vibration alerts to the user. These alerts serve as a gentle reminder to adjust their posture and return to a more ergonomic position. The vibrations are subtle and discreet, allowing users to correct their posture without drawing attention to themselves. Number 11. AI-powered fitness mirror with interactive workout programs. No gym membership, no problem. This AI-powered fitness mirror provides interactive workout programs that adapt to your fitness level and goals. See yourself on the screen as a virtual trainer guides you through exercises, offering real-time feedback on your form. It's a personalized gym experience right in your living room. Number 12. Wireless workout earbuds with secure fit and heart rate monitoring. These earbuds connect to devices such as smartphones or music players via Bluetooth, eliminating the need for tangled wires that can get in the way during workouts. This wireless connectivity provides freedom of movement and allows users to focus on their exercises without being tethered to their devices. Workout earbuds are designed with a secure fit to stay in place during vigorous physical activities such as running, cycling, or HIIT workouts. They typically come with ear tips and ear fins or hooks that help anchor the earbuds securely in the ears, preventing them from falling out or shifting during movement. These earbuds are equipped with built-in heart rate sensors that continuously monitor the user's heart rate during exercise. The sensors may be located in the earbuds themselves or in an accompanying chest strap or armband. Real-time heart rate data is transmitted wirelessly to a connected device, such as a smartphone or fitness tracker, allowing users to track their heart rate zones and performance. Number 13. Noise-canceling headphones with transparency mode. These headphones utilize ANC technology to actively reduce ambient noise, such as the hum of an airplane engine or the chatter of a crowded cafe. By generating sound waves that cancel out external noise, ANC creates a more immersive listening experience, allowing users to focus on their music or audio content without distractions. Transparency mode, also known as ambient sound mode or pass-through mode, allows users to hear external sounds while wearing their headphones. This feature uses built-in microphones to capture ambient sounds and then plays them through the headphones, giving users the ability to stay aware of their surroundings, have conversations, or listen for important announcements without removing the headphones. Number 14. Self-hydrating water bottle with smart reminder. Staying hydrated is crucial for any workout, but it's easy to forget. This self-hydrating water bottle tracks your water intake and sends reminders to keep you on track. The bottle is equipped with sensors that can detect when the user needs to drink water based on factors like temperature, humidity, and the user's activity level. Users can personalize their hydration goals and settings through a companion mobile app. They can input factors like age, weight, activity level, and environmental conditions to tailor the reminders to their specific needs. The water bottle is designed to be leak-proof and durable, making it suitable for use during various activities, including workouts, outdoor adventures, and daily commutes. Number 15. Smart jump rope with LED display and workout tracking. Ditch the boring old jump rope. This smart version tracks your jumps, calories burned, and workout duration with an LED display. The jump rope is equipped with an LED display that shows various workout metrics in real time, such as jump count, calories burned, time elapsed, and more. This allows users to track their progress and performance during their workouts. Many smart jump ropes can connect to a companion mobile app via Bluetooth. This enables users to sync their workout data to their smartphones or tablets for further analysis and tracking. Smart jump ropes often feature built-in sensors that detect each jump accurately. These sensors ensure precise tracking of metrics such as jump count and intensity, providing users with reliable data for their workouts. Number 16. Smart beds. Smart beds are innovative sleep solutions that incorporate technology to enhance the sleep experience and improve overall sleep quality. Smart beds often feature adjustable settings for firmness and support, allowing users to customize their sleeping experience to their individual preferences. This may include options to adjust the firmness level of the mattress or the elevation of different sections of the bed to provide optimal comfort and support. Number 17. Robotic vacuum cleaners with advanced AI. Robotic vacuum cleaners utilize advanced navigation technologies such as simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, laser sensors, cameras, and infrared sensors to map and navigate the cleaning area effectively. This allows them to intelligently maneuver around obstacles, avoid collisions, and create efficient cleaning paths. AI-powered robotic vacuum cleaners are equipped with sophisticated obstacle detection and avoidance systems that allow them to navigate around furniture, objects, and other obstacles with precision. They can detect and avoid obstacles in real time, minimizing the risk of collisions and damage to both the vacuum cleaner and household items. These vacuum cleaners offer customizable cleaning modes to suit different preferences and cleaning needs. Users can choose from options such as spot cleaning, edge cleaning, and scheduled cleaning to target specific areas or address particular cleaning tasks. Number 18. Virtual reality treadmills. Virtual reality, VR, treadmills, also known as omnidirectional treadmills or VR locomotion platforms, are innovative devices designed to enhance the immersive experience of virtual reality gaming and simulation. VR treadmills allow users to move freely in virtual environments by walking, running, or strafing in any direction. Unlike traditional treadmills that only support forward movement, VR treadmills enable omnidirectional movement, including backward, sideways, and diagonal motion. The surface of VR treadmills is typically made of low-friction material, such as a smooth platform or a slick surface, that allows users to slide their feet easily while wearing specialized footwear. This enables natural and fluid movement within virtual environments without the risk of tripping or slipping. VR treadmills incorporate safety features to prevent accidents and injuries during use. These may include handrails or support bars for stability, proximity sensors to detect obstacles and stop movement, and emergency stop buttons for immediate halting of the treadmill in case of emergencies. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech content. And let us know in the comments below which gadget you're most excited about. Until next time, stay tech savvy.